What's up, ClickShippers? In this video, we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to integrate your Ecwid store with ClickShip. With ClickShip, Ecwid store owners can automate their shipping and fulfillment process, provide real-time rates at checkout to their customers, and access exclusive shipping rates for a variety of trusted carriers at a lower cost. Ecwid by Lightspeed is related to the Lightspeed E-Series product, and integrating Ecwid will also integrate your Lightspeed E-Series store into ClickShip. Start by logging into your ClickShip account and navigating over to the Integrations tab on the left-hand side, and it will take you to the Marketplaces page. Find the Ecwid logo under the Storefronts and click the button. A pop-up will appear prompting you to enter the name of your store. Fill this in, then click Connect to Store. This will take you to Ecwid, where you'll log into your account. You can log in, or if you're already logged in, you'll be prompted to permit ClickShip access to your account. Click Accept. And there you have it. The integration is successful. Your Ecwid orders will start importing into ClickShip and can be found on the orders page. All of your products will be imported to the products page along with all of their dimension and weight information. If you want to enable real-time rates at checkout, stick around for a moment and we'll show you how. From the Marketplaces page, you'll find your Ecwid store tile and click Edit Store Settings. Underneath the real-time rates section, you'll see a toggle to enable real-time rates for packages and another for LTL pallets. Toggle these on at your will. Select the Ship From address from the drop-downs. You can add or edit addresses on ClickShip location settings or your Ecwid store settings. Next, decide whether you want to display or hide processing times on your real-time rates. Check the box if you require any package presets like residential delivery. If you wish to mark up or mark down the rates at checkout, you can do this by dollar amount or percentage under the shipping cost calculator section. Under the notification section, as an option, you can choose to send automatic notification emails to a specific email address or addresses at specific intervals from order receiving to order delivery. You can also set whether you want to automatically email the shipping details or return labels to your customers, and more here. Once you're satisfied with your settings, scroll back up to the top and click Save Changes. And there you go, you've successfully enabled real-time rates at checkout and can start fulfilling orders seamlessly with ClickShip. You can also take advantage of loads of other tools and features in ClickShip to streamline your shipping and fulfillment, like smart packaging, advanced shipping rules, advanced custom branding, user roles, and more. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our channel or check out the video library on our website. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Happy shipping.